Hi, this is Rick Sorsey with Stockdale Kitchen and Bath, and today I want to show you a really special project. Now, what I'm going to show you used to be the garage, and we turned it into a secondary kitchen. Now, this is the workhorse kitchen, and it's massive, and it's cool, and it's contemporary. Come, check it out. So, what a neat modern kitchen we have here. Black cabinetry, the black countertops with the white veining, chevron glass tile, double sinks. Remember, this used to be the garage, and we carved it into part of the house. And now they have a second kitchen. And this is the workhorse kitchen. This is where, if we're doing some heavy spices and things like that, this is where all that gets done. So the black cabinetry gives it a sense of sophistication, really beautiful. Let's talk about these sinks. So two 33 by 22 inch sinks. They're a big single bowl. Now what's cool about having two is this is really the workhorse of the house. We can do a lot of work here. They've got a lot of really neat features. Filtered water, and if you haven't seen one of these yet, well, this is a glass cleaner, and it's great for glasses, but it's also great for baby bottles and water jugs. Then, 48-inch range, big 36-inch cooktop with a griddle, 48-inch vent hood. Coming across, microwave drawer. You know I love these. They're convenient, they're safe, and with just a nudge of encouragement, if your hands are full, well, that's how you close it. Look at this island. It's beautiful. And what a great workspace. This could be a great workspace or landing zone, because what we did is we put about a 36-inch pantry here and a 36-inch pantry there with roll-out trays, and then a 48-inch refrigerator built in. So can you imagine bringing in all the groceries or whatever, opening up the pantries and putting those in? The countertops are man-made, they're quartz, and it's called Nero. What a great fun project this is. I'm Rick Sorsey, and this is Stockdale Kitchen and Bath. If you have any questions, like you want to do a secondary kitchen for yourself or your regular kitchen, I'm happy to answer any questions. Our phone number is 661-834-3333. That's 661-834-3333. Thanks for riding along with us. Have a great day.